Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. Today we're going to do an unusual piece of art for the wall. So give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. So let's go ahead and go take a look. I said it was unusual, so here we go. You're going to need a guitar and a canvas. This is a guitar from that old game from Rockband for the PlayStation. I think they had one for Xbox as well. It was Rockband, and then the other one was Guitar Hero. So that's what this is from. And I had this old canvas that I had used once before, but I took it apart, and I kind of ruined it by taking it apart. So I'm going to try to use it again. We'll make it work. I thought that maybe I could use the reverse side of the canvas for this, but I could not. Those staples were so deep in there. This is a canvas from Hobby Lobby, and it is so well built. I don't know how in the world I would ever take this apart. So my little hands couldn't do it. So I had to leave it the way it was, and I just had to accept it. So now I just have to figure out how I'm going to cover up as much of that tape as possible. So that's tape is what you're seeing, or actually vinyl, not tape. It's vinyl that was hot glued because the vinyl wasn't sticking to the canvas. So I hot glued it. And that was fine at the time, but not now. So anyway, so we're going to figure out how we want to lay this out. We're going to spray paint both pieces. I thought I was going to do the background in that lighter gray and then the guitar in the dark gray, or vice versa. And so that was the original plan. You see me thinking there. And I was trying to see, do we have enough spray paint? I think I can make it work. So I head outside because it's Texas and it's still, 100 degrees out here. And naturally the spray paint doesn't work. How do you make the spray paint work? Can anyone tell me? So I only had one color is what this meant. Because I didn't want to do another black piece of art. So I wasn't going to do black. I had no white. It was gray or nothing. Gray, or I think I had brown. So I'm going to spray paint the guitar first, for whatever reason. And we have to get all of the edges. I did not spray paint the back side because it's going to be attached to the canvas. But I did spray all of the sides and the corners and all that. And then, I believe there was 3 coats on the guitar. And then I put 1 coat on the canvas. Now I wanted it to look a bit like graffiti, so I didn't want it to be completely even and completely covered, nothing like that. I wanted it to look a little bit like a graffiti piece of art. It didn't quite work out like that, but close enough, close enough. I'm okay with it. So that's what I'm doing here. And because it was nice enough to stay outside, it dried fairly quickly out there because the sun was beaming on it. So when it was dry, then I brought it in. And you see, I would have liked it if they were different colors, but whatever, I can't be picky. So what I'm going to do is I am going to attach the guitar to the canvas wood frame with wire. So I'm just trying to figure those details out and how I'm going to do it. And I figured, I know I could attach it to the middle, but I didn't have a place on the guitar in the middle. So I had, I don't know, the end has a little thing that you put your guitar strap on. So I'm going to use that on this end. And I'm just wrapping a heavy piece of wire around that piece, and that's what I'm going to attach through the canvas. And then on the other side, I decided to make it go around the very end of the, I don't know what you call the thing where the strings are. I don't know what you call it, but I'm going to put it at the end of that thing. And because this was a big project, and so my little tiny table was not big enough, and my little camera was not big enough for this project. So sorry about it being out of frame. But in the end, this is what I did. I just wrapped the wire around the edge of the handle there. It's not a handle, but whatever it's called. And then I'm going to attach that through the canvas. Again, this is a big project. This canvas does not fit on my table that I have, because this is a Dreambox table, which is a small table. But anyway, so I'm going to figure out where the edge or where the wire needs to go, cut a tiny little slit through the canvas, put the wire through the canvas, and then we're going to flip it over. No, we're not. That's a lie. First, we're going to actually attach it with some double-sided foam tape. We're going to attach it to the canvas in the front. Now, did this help at all? Maybe a tiny bit while I was putting the wire together? Maybe. Is it necessary? Maybe not. But anyway, so now we're on the back. So my head is in the way here. So again, with my lovely camera skills, I'm going to put the wire around the wood frame, and then I'm going to attach the two pieces of wire together. And that's it. Easy as that. And for the bottom of the guitar, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add some double-sided foam tape, and I'm going to stick that on the bottom edge of the guitar and stick that to the canvas. And then we're going to put the wire through the canvas and attach it around the frame, because the frame is the strong part. So that's the part that I'm actually hanging it from. It's not the canvas, obviously, because the canvas is too weak and thin. But I got that attached, and that was good. I put a little hot glue so it doesn't rip. And I also ended up going back outside and spray painting the wire so it wasn't standing out quite so much. So you'll see, I don't know, maybe you can see it, or probably not on the video, but you can see the wire is silver, and I didn't want that. I wanted it to be gray. Now this is actually hanging up in my little game room where I have my 3D printer and my Pac-Man machine. And so that's kind of why I thought of this and thought it would be cute. So it is kind of cute. It sits between two windows, but it's very yellow in that room. But here it is with some light, and you can see it's just kind of a cool, different thing. I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. I sure hope you can give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. I thank you so much. Be sure to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.